Today, Saturday, February 15th. This is the 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado power seat actuating control module. This includes the joystick actuation that provides 8 degrees of freedom, commonly known as the 6-way power seat. Yes, General Motors refers to it as a 6-way power seat, but it's actually 8 degrees of freedom because you have unified up, unified down, front tilt up, front tilt down, rear tilt up, rear tilt down, and linear forward and back. Okay, so this is the chrome control head module, which I've cleaned up, and I've gone ahead and repaired the primary circuit board. Absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to go ahead and do a reassembly. This is video number 1 out of a 2-video set. The second video I'll be doing a functional validation test showing the different degrees of freedom and the actuation of the electrical continuity. Okay, this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorado. I do increasingly more and more Oldsmobile Toronado items as well, including the steering columns and these power seat actuators and switches. I have over 375,000 parts overall from 1959 through 1976 through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Saturday, February 15th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.